Are we dark? Oh, we'd be good. So Dan, you got deactivated from Uber for what?
So I got deactivated from Uber because I was going too fast on my bike. The speed limit is supposedly about around 25 miles an hour. I was doing like 30 plus going down the hill. I got sent up to Diamond Heights, and so the next day I got deactivated coming down the hill going too fast.
Oh, Diamond Heights. Diamond Heights. Okay, I know this area quite a bit. Diamond Heights is crazy hilly. It's crazy hilly. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. So this video, I'm here with an Uber driver.
I'm Justice.
And this Uber driver has a crazy story. He was deactivated because he was on an electric bike and he was going too fast. Now, a lot of you guys may wonder, how could you get deactivated for going too fast on a bike? How would Uber even know that you're on a bike? Okay, so there's this problem with the Uber app where if you are moving too fast, Uber thinks that you are a car. So there's like this algorithm, if it notices that you're moving too fast, like too many amounts of times, it'll give you a warning and then it'll basically just deactivate you. So in your case, you're going down hills.
Yeah, so going down hills, you have to stay along the traffic or ahead the traffic, or because you go in sharp turns. If the cars, if you're going too slow, a car will hit you. And I have high ratings. Mine's about 90%. So the algorithm is not Uber, it's the algorithm will deactivate you.
Oh yeah, I definitely don't think it's a person doing this. This is like all the computer system, you know. So now let's talk about your bike here. Now you rent a bike through Boat Bikes, right?
Yeah, I got a bike by Boat Bikes, but I rent to own the bike.
I'm pretty sure that Uber has heard of Boat Bikes. So you just have like a normal electric bike. Your bike is this is your bike right over here. This is my bike here. And this is your bike here, the one that you're speeding on.
Yeah, going downhill.
All right, so this is his bike here. You know, believe it or not, I know that this doesn't exist for the Uber app, but I actually thought that the Uber app was smart enough to detect that, okay, there's all of these cars, on this street. Okay, yeah. And then there's you know, and all these cars have apps in them, and they're, you know, running the Uber app, and then, you know, you're on a bike and you're running the Uber app too. I would think that the app would be smart enough to detect that, okay, this app is going through the car, so this app is obviously not in a car because no one else is doing this at this intersection. But I guess the Uber app is not that smart yet. So we're basically want to make this video to bring up awareness, because this has definitely happened to other drivers. This has definitely happened to other people. So what are you doing now? Because you've been deactivated for how long?
I've been deactivated for about 4 days already.
Oh my gosh. So what is that like? Because I know, like, it just sucks to be deactivated, you know?
Well, the one thing about Uber is that you get to cash out anytime you want. And if you need to pay something off really quick, or somebody needs it, if you're a girlfriend or you're a family member that needs help, you can't really help them out, and because you can't cash out at any time. So that's one of the downfalls. Right now I'm doing DoorDash. I originally started at DoorDash a year before I did Uber, until Uber decided that to copy a bit of DoorDash.
Oh, so DoorDash has the mechanism, if you're going too fast, it'll send you a message? No,
DoorDash doesn't send you notifications that you're going too fast. The reason why that Uber is saying that you're going too fast because the algorithm is designed for bikes in short locations, because they go short distance on a bike. But if they detect that you're going too fast, they think you're using a car or a gas scooter or a motorcycle. So,
and there is no option on the Uber app for an electric bike. An electric bike is gonna be faster than a normal bike.
Yeah.
There's only an option for a normal bike.
Was it? You seen an option for it?
No, the only DoorDash has an option for an electric bike.
But it won't make a difference anyways because it's the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, and definitely going down hills if you're on a bike, especially in San Francisco, it's easy to get above 30. It's easy to get above 20 miles an hour. Now, and just in the financial district on my bike, I would really have to be pushing it to get up to 30. Or I'd have to be coming down California.
Or you go down a hill on California on the what's it called, Chinatown. There's no stopping that.
Oh my gosh, yeah. But yeah, some of those hills, like you're gonna bomb them. Like you're just gonna go down. Like
you're gonna bomb them, just like Corona Heights, Diamond Heights.
Oh my gosh, yeah, all those neighborhoods.
Russian
17th
hills.
17th has got to be one of the craziest. I mean, I hit 38 on 17th the other day. 38 miles an hour.
Wow. You know what the funny thing was?
I was like, I hope my brakes work.
I wasn't even on the order and I got deactivated. I got done finishing the order.
Well, yeah, because you was probably riding down the hill, of course.
Yeah, when I got done with the order, then I got deactivated the next day after lunchtime.
Oh, so the next day, so it didn't happen the same day?
No, because they like basically like review it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
They review it after like a certain time. Then it's like, okay, this is what we decided to do. But I don't think it's as a person doing that to me because I have high ratings. I have like 11 negatives, and the rest of it's like I have like 1,500 orders within 4 months.
Wow, 1,500 orders in 4 months?
Yes.
Wow, so you like the grind. You're a hustler.
Yeah.
Uber is losing out on. We need you back on the platform. Like Uber is losing out. Do you like working for DoorDash?
So here's the thing about DoorDash and Uber. The pay is the same.
Oh, it is the same.
The same
I'm
per
glad
hour.
to hear that. Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
It's the same per hour. So except DoorDash pays more during peak hours, which is the peak hours. Here's a secret: is between 9:30 to 1:30.
You sure you want to tell the secret? Everybody's gonna know. Okay, it's 9:30 to what? So everybody will know.
Okay, it's 9:30 to 1:30. And it's 5:30 to 11:30.
Okay, so it's the best times to work.
So that's the best time to work if you're willing to push a little harder, a couple more hours after midnight during the weekends. So that's guaranteed to help you make over $200 a day within 6-7 hours.
Yeah, because definitely with Uber after night, like after 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, it definitely picks up. And Caviar but I don't know about DoorDash, but I know Caviar definitely slows down. Yeah, you need access to all of them. You can't be deactivated from Uber because that would just be bad.
You can't just rely on just one platform.
No.
Never. Just because if you want to make this like a full-time thing, you have to have at least 2 different apps that you run on, because there might be times where
you get deactivated like yourself.
Activated, or one app is not working better than the other because people are coming from different areas that are used to like DoorDash, or the people in downtown San Francisco, they're used to Uber. So,
especially when there's like large conferences in town, you have so many new people coming to the city and they request Uber like for rides. And when they're in the back of the car, Uber advertises them Uber Eats. Like, do you want to get lunch later? Like, Uber shows them. So on those weeks where we have like large conferences in the city, Uber Eats is definitely the one you want to work for. Just because there's so many people and everybody's so used to Uber. So yeah, we got to get you back on the Uber platform. So guys, I'm just pretty much making this video, and I just want to share this video. I want to see what's in the comments, because if you guys have had this problem, definitely like let us know in the comments. I'm gonna send this video to Uber. Hopefully we can get you back on the platform. Also, if you're watching this from Uber, if you guys should like make some sort of partnership with Bolt Bikes, because there's a lot of carriers in San Francisco that are using Bolt Bikes for deliveries. And you know, if you have a partnership with Boat Bikes, you can see that, okay, well, these people are renting electric bikes, you know, and it would be a little bit more proof, and maybe you could give us sort of a discount for renting bikes through Boat Bikes, or for the people who do rent bikes through Boat Bikes. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. You have anything else you want to say before we wrap up the video?
No, if you have any questions, just put it down in the comments and I'll help answer them.
Okay. Well,
that'd be like for the next video.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, what are you about to do now? About to go make some money?
Yeah, well, this spot almost 5 now. We're about to start back up. I start back up. I'm like a night ninja. Instead, I'm not really a day person.
I'm like a day person. You start like now, and I'm getting ready to take off like right about now.
Yeah, I start at night, anywhere from 5 to like 12:30.
Wow. Wow. It's so weird for me to work the nights because I'm so used to working the daytimes. Like I'm so used to the office buildings and all that. And at night it's all like dark and it's all.
So it's just comment below who likes the glare during the daytime.
Oh my gosh, the glare sucks. The glare, like the sun, and it hurts your eyes. You have to look at the phone. It sucks. Okay. You have to deal with that in the daytime. All right, we're gonna wrap this video up. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Hopefully you get back on Uber soon.
Yep.
Yes.